Hey everybody, welcome to Riding with Josh. I'm Josh, and today I'm going stealth camping. I got my buddy Billy here with me. He's riding out to the campsite with me, but not staying. You might recognize him in his Zero motorcycle from our adventure at the abandoned concrete factory. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go check it out. It's a pretty good one. But the place we're heading out to today, I don't think I'm going to have any problem being found there. Got some spaghetti I'm going to cook for dinner. Should be a good night. Have a couple barley pops. Well, found my camp spot for the night. Secluded. I don't think anybody's gonna find me up here. Camp is set up. Got everything off of my bike, laid out into the tent. Here's the new KLYMIT sleeping pad with the pillow. Hopefully tonight I'll get a good night's sleep on it. It doesn't leak or deflate on me, and I'll be able to use it for my trip next week. Pretty nice spot out here, isn't it, Billy?
Oh, yeah, decent.
All right, get everything put up. I'll start cooking here in a little bit. All right, Billy the kid is off. He's hung out for a little bit. It's starting to get dark. We had a beer, and now he's ready to ride home. Take it easy, buddy. Thanks for coming by.
Thank you.
We'll see you later. Can't get used to how quiet that thing is. And it begins. The night is about to start. I'm gonna go ahead and get my food out, start cooking spaghetti, and I've got some movies to watch tonight. I'm gonna watch The Karate Kid. I've been watching Cobra Kai. I finished all 2 seasons on Netflix. It's really good, bringing back some nostalgia, so I'm gonna go watch the original Karate Kid again. I sure hope this new system works out good for me. I am kind of out here on a power line. I guess so, not even really a power line, it's just a gas line. That's what it is, gas line. Oh, there's nothing around me, just all trails. Tonight's dinner is spaghetti. Got some ramen noodles, gonna boil up here. Cooking the meat first, gonna put the sauce and garlic powder in it. Get that going first before I boil the noodles. Then I'll be eating good tonight. I've got the meat and pasta sauce done. The noodles are almost finished. It's almost time to eat. Dinner is ready. Let's see him. Can you see me? All right. But yeah, this is really good. It's pretty dark. Fun times. This is my 4th time camping by myself, solo. Pretty much used to it now. If you've seen any of my other videos, especially the first one, you saw how weird it was at night for me the first time, but it doesn't really bother me anymore. I'm used to it. I've always camped with a bunch of friends and stuff, so I always had people there, and you never know, somebody comes walking into your camp, or bear decides to eat you. The rare chance that a bear would come in and try to eat you, but it's always nice to have someone with you when you're camping. But now that, like I say, my 4th time doing it by myself, I actually really kind of enjoy being by myself camping. It's nice being in the middle of nowhere, not having to worry about anything. I'll get back to you when I'm done eating dinner. Alright, dinner was delicious. Everything is packed up, cleaned, put away. So now I'm inside the tent. I'm really hoping this new KLYMIT sleeping pad and pillow do a great job for me tonight. I am going on a trip in about 8 days, 8 or 9 days. My buddy Jeff is coming up from Georgia, and we're going to go up to the Allegheny National Forest and spend 2 nights up there camping, riding around, checking the place out. We're going to stealth camp all the places we go to, because ain't nobody got time to pay for a campground, you know. Forget that. Camping's free. Remember that. But yeah, it should be a good time. We're going to go see the Kinzu Dam, the reservoir. We're going to stay the night up there. Next day, we're going to go see Jake's Rocks. We're going to go see a couple overlooks. We're going to go to the Austin Dam, which should be really cool. It was a dam that burst and wiped out a factory that was down below it, and they got the ruins from the factory. So we're going to go check all that out and then do some off-roading for sure. I've found a couple roads. We're definitely going to get off-road and do some forest roads, and I've got Karate Kid just now starting to come on. So I'm going to lay back, watch TV, and enjoy the night. I will see you guys if anything happens. If not, we'll see you in the morning. There goes Johnny and his motorcycle gang. Poor Daniel LaRusso. Well, 45 minutes of laying down on this new sleeping pad. I can say that I like it. It's a lot more comfortable than my other one. But like I said, it's only been 45 minutes. We'll see what happens whenever the night goes on. If I wake up in the morning all comfortable, it's good. And if I toss and turn all night, then it's just like the other one. Alright, back to my movie. Good morning. Well, it was a good night's sleep. It is, see here, what time is it? It is 4:26 a.m. I slept really good. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up, get home. I get stuff to do in the morning, so this trip is over. But the KLYMIT sleeping pad and pillow, they did a wonderful job last night. I can't wait to use it again. All packed up, ready to go. Only took me about 20 minutes to get everything packed up. Not too bad. But whenever I get home, I'm gonna make a few more changes to my camping gear, make it a little smaller. Get rid of some stuff slowly but surely. I will have it compact. But let's get this thing fired up and out of here. All right, let's see if I remember how to get out of here. Yeah, I'll probably come back here and camp again. This is a quiet spot. Nobody messed with me back here. Nothing went on at all last night. I'll be back. Don't get stuck this morning. Let's go. All right. And nobody got time for that. 4:45 in the morning getting stuck. All right. Golden Pony Boy, we're out of here. Nobody's coming. Yep, we're good. Alright, that's it for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well so you get notified when all future videos come out. I was happy with the Static V sleeping pad and the X pillow from KLYMIT. I would recommend it if you're in the market for a new sleeping pad or pillow. As always, everybody ride safe. We will see you in the next video. Shouldn't be too long.